Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are keeping safe. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you all another beautiful 4-bedroom property, and this is from Harron Homes. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. This is the front view of the house. You also have a garage coming with this property. The location details are shared in here. It's located in Huddersfield. Now going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have a living, garage, kitchen with dining, utility and a washroom. On the first floor we have 4 bedrooms with 1 master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a family bathroom. Now as you enter the house you'll find a spacious hall in front of you with various partitions made towards your upstairs, living and kitchen and dining. So let's begin with the living room first. Beautiful living room with good style and comfort. 2 to 3 sofa sets can fit in easily and there's plenty of room space to walk around. You're also getting a bay window in the front, so plenty of light and air movement again. Overall, a beautiful and spacious living room. Now let's check out other rooms of the house. So just as you come out of this living room, towards your left side you have some storage space under the staircase. Now moving towards a spectacular kitchen with dining. I really love the kitchens and the dining areas in these Harron homes. They look amazing. The idea of giving the gas hob towards the open end looks different and nice. And even the worktop is a bit wider compared to other kitchens. You can actually choose your own worktop. Normally they give you the basic ones, that's the wooden one. You can go for the upgraded versions of granite or quartz, whatever you want to. So you'll be getting the gas hob, oven and all these cabinets fitted in. The space for the dishwasher also is provided in here. It's a lengthy open kitchen with dining given towards one side, and towards the other side you have the utility and washroom. The space for the refrigerator is provided here. You can easily plan a 2-door fridge here because you have a lot of space. We will be exploring the utility and washroom later. So first we'll move towards the dining area. As you can see, from the dining area you have the garden access through the French doors given in here. It's a beautiful space here given at the back. A dining table with 6 to 8 chairs can fit in easily, and again there's very good space to walk around. You will be getting a beautiful garden space with fence around it. But at the moment we cannot access these gardens in these show homes. The interior works done are simply amazing. You can get a lot of ideas from here. Overall, a beautiful dining and amazing kitchen. Now let's check out the utility and washroom in the ground floor here. So just beside the kitchen you have small space, and this is the utility given. So you have the space for the washing machine and dryer given here at the bottom. There's also garden access given here through the door behind. And the washroom is coming just beside it. So this is the washroom here in the ground floor. You have the water closet, sink, and there's also a window coming towards one side. This is all about the ground floor. Now let's check out the first floor of the house. As I told you, on the first floor we have 4 bedrooms, with one bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common family bathroom. So let's check out the first bedroom of the house. This is the first bedroom of the house. It's a double bedroom. A double cot fits in and you have really good room space to walk around. There's a window towards one side, so very good light and air movement in the room. And towards the other side, you can easily plan a wardrobe. This is the master bedroom of the house, and you have the attached bath coming for this bedroom. So this is your attached bath. You have the walk-in shower, water closet and also a sink in here. So this is all about the first bedroom of the house. Let's check out the second bedroom. Just beside it, you have another double bedroom, and this is the second bedroom of the house. A double cot fits in, and again you have a really good room space to walk around. There's a window coming towards one side, so plenty of light and good air movement in this room as well. You'll have the backside garden views here through these windows. It's really beautiful and relaxing. There's also space towards the other side to plan your wardrobes. If you want, you can go for the wardrobes here. Overall, a decent bedroom. You can use it as your kids' room or guest room. So let's check out other rooms of the house. Just beside this second bedroom, you have the family bathroom. This is again a spacious bathroom. You have the bathtub, water closet and a sink. There's also a window coming towards one side. Now moving towards the third bedroom of the house. So the bedroom 3 and 4 are coming towards the other side. This is again a double bedroom. A double cot fits in and you have really good room space to walk around. There's a beautiful wide window coming here, so plenty of light and air movement again. So we are actually getting 3 double bedrooms and 1 single room here in this property, and all the bedrooms have really good space. And towards the other side, you can easily plan a wardrobe here without disturbing the room space. It's going inside. Overall, a beautiful bedroom with good style and space. You can use it as a kids' room, guest room, anything you want to. Now let's check out the fourth bedroom of the house. So just beside this third bedroom, you have the fourth bedroom. This is supposed to be the smallest bedroom in this property. A small cot fits in and you still have very good room space to walk around. There's a window coming towards one side, so plenty of light and air movement again. The smallest bedroom is also having really good space. You can easily plan a study table here towards one side. I really like the idea of using these racks here, racks and shelves. We have seen them in IKEA. It's really good to store something decorative and also photo frames and stuff. And as you come out of this bedroom, towards one side you have the small room with door and lock, and there's a heater given inside. So we covered all the rooms here in this property. Let's go downstairs and check out the garage from outside. The garage is coming towards one side here in the front, and apart from the garage, you'll still get 2 car park space here at the front. This is all about today's property. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.